Hello, I'm Amaryllis. I will show you how you can create a cute Easter decoration just using rope and cardboard. To make this easy craft, you will need cardboard, 2 craft dowels, rope, and of course scissors, pencil, and glue. The first thing you have to do is to draw or report 2 bunny ears shapes on the cardboard. You can use the template, you can download it for free. You will find the link in the description or on your screen. So I already cut out a shape and I will report it twice on the cardboard. Once you have the 2 shapes, you have to cut them out. And then you have to glue the dowels on the center of the bunny ears. And try to glue the second dowel at the same height. And the next thing you have to do is cover the ear with the rope. Apply some glue here and glue the end of the rope. And then you start wrapping it around the bunny ear. Just take your time to start here really nicely, and once the rope is in place on the tip of the ear, it's very easy to wrap it around the cardboard. Add the glue little by little and keep wrapping the rope until all the ear is covered. And have a look on the back. It has to look nice also on the back. You keep wrapping and you just wrap above the dowel. You can add some glue if you want, but it will work just as fine as on the cardboard. When you reach the end here, you really have to glue 1 row at a time because of the shape of the cardboard. It tends to slip away. And once everything is covered, you cut the rope and you glue the ends here on the dowel. And this is how the bunny here looks like. And you do the same for the second one. And I will add some cotton rope to line the bunny here. So I will just glue it. and I will fill it with more white rope. We'll just glue it here and fill everything. And this is how it looks like. The last thing to do is to stick the bunny here into a flower bouquet to create a pretty Easter flower arrangement. It also works in house plants or with dry flowers. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more easy and fun craft ideas.